Have you ever pondered about a day in the life of an Indian Institute of Technology or IIT professor? What does it entail? What are the responsibilities beyond teaching? We're about to delve into this intriguing world of academia, shedding light on the diverse and demanding nature of the profession. Imagine the alarm clock ringing at the crack of dawn. For an IIT professor, the day begins early. It's not just about preparing for lectures or grading assignments, it's about immersing oneself in a world of continuous learning and innovation. After a quick breakfast, the professor heads to campus, often one of the first to arrive. The serene morning atmosphere of the campus is a perfect setting for some solitary contemplation and planning for the day ahead. First on the agenda are the lectures. Preparation for these isn't just about reviewing notes or slides. It involves keeping up to date with the latest advancements in the field, ensuring that the students receive the most relevant and cutting-edge knowledge. The lectures themselves are interactive, engaging, and thought-provoking, pushing the boundaries of traditional education. Next comes the office hours. This is when the professor is available for one-on-one sessions with students. It's a time for addressing doubts, providing academic guidance, and even offering career advice. These interactions are an integral part of the professor's role, fostering a strong bond between the educator and the students. Lunchtime isn't just about refueling. Often, it's a chance for the professor to collaborate with colleagues, discuss new research ideas, or even brainstorm solutions to academic challenges. It's a melting pot of intellectual discourse and camaraderie. The afternoon is dedicated to research activities. This could involve working on a groundbreaking project, writing research papers, or even supervising student projects. Here, the professor isn't just a teacher, but also a researcher, pushing the boundaries of knowledge and innovation. Then come the meetings. Committee work, administrative tasks, and media engagements often fill the late afternoon hours. These responsibilities highlight the diverse roles an IIT professor plays within the academic community. Finally, the professor heads home, but the day doesn't end there. Evenings are often spent reading, writing, or reviewing academic materials. This is also the time to relax, rejuvenate, and prepare for another challenging yet rewarding day. In summary, a day in the life of an IIT professor is a blend of teaching, learning, research, and administration. It's about nurturing minds, advancing knowledge, and shaping the future. It's a demanding job, but the rewards are immeasurable. It's a profession where every day brings new challenges, new opportunities, and new discoveries. And that's what makes it so fascinating.